Yes, sir.
Country living, man.
Man, we in the hood with it today.
Hood with it,
You know what I'm saying, motherfucker? You know I got that jig, man, out here.
Hood
Yes, sir. We just want to see what we gonna do, man. That's how I want to do.
living,
DC living, that's how we live for real, man. Keep trying to tell y'all, folks, look at a little bread right there. Oh, look at a little bag right there. Hold on, let me kill one for y'all, boy. Hold up. Look at that. You tell it? I need some water. You need the word, I'm telling you now. You need some word now, I'm telling you now.
I see it going. Hey, did they throw a bite when they kept me?
No, they kept me.
They kept me?
Yeah. I gotta get down here. We gotta get down here and cut this goddamn grass, bro. I'm telling you. Exactly. Hey, they in that bitch now, OG.
Look at it, look. And they fucking too. They done so is.
They in that bitch.
That girl, man.
I know them bitches in me.
Yeah. I ain't gonna lie about this. Yeah, man, my cousin can't record for shit. I ain't lying to you.